Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect Libratone Q Adapt with your iPhone. First of all, you need to power on your headset by using this power button. So click and hold it and wait until this indicator turns on. Right now you can release that button and then move for another one. You have to click and hold this one until indicator starts blinking right here and right here on the left and the right side. It's not good visible actually, but take a look. It's blinking on the left and the right side. Right now it means that these headphones are in the pairing mode, so we have to put them close to our iPhone and then simply we have to go to the settings. We have to turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and now just wait until they appears on the list. In my case the name is On-Ear HL, so I have to tap on it. As you can see right now I'm successfully connected. In the next step I will recommend you to go to the App Store and download this application. So let's type Libratone and just simply download this app. When you finish, you will be also welcome with the first screen, and you have to log in with your Libratone account, but you can also use the Apple or Google account. I did it. So right now I can skip some kind of the steps right here, and as you can see it's looking for nearby devices. Here we can find our device, and here we can find the quick guide that's about the volume control that we can adjust right here. This was the power button, so we can check for example the battery level. Right here we can also play and pause music and also answer the calls. When you click and hold right here we are able to activate the voice assistant, and we can also use the ambient sound. There's also the function button where we can turn to the noise control level. As you can see right now we are in the application, and we can simply adjust some features right here. As you can see right now when you click on the button you can adjust the noise cancellation. When you tap right here we can go to the ambient sound, and you can also go to the settings where we can find for example the serial number, or simply turn LED always on. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.